When I was a little child, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be handsome? Will I be rich? Yes, she says to me, que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. This future not to see, que sera, sera. When I was a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Yes, she was to say, que sera, sera. Yeah, whatever will be, will be. The future not to see, que sera, sera.